guys, you are welcome back to my channel. On today's video, you can already see from my ingredients, I'm going to be making fresh banga soup with catfish. Easy recipe as usual. So if you have a mortar and a pestle, just go ahead and use it because it will be way more easier. But if you haven't, don't worry, I got you. You can still use your bottle and a clean pot. Trust me, it's gonna come out the same as you can see in this video. So guys, this is like the interesting part I love about palm kernel. I'm going to break this now and then use it later to drink gari. You know what I'm talking about. So guys, if you are using fresh ingredients, all you have to do is blend it together in a blender, and then when the banga is boiling, you pour it inside. But if you're using all dry ingredients, then follow the recipe like I'm doing now. So if you're going to be using local banga ingredients like the banga stick, the banga leaves and the banga wood, this is where those ingredients comes in before now you add in your fresh fish. Oh my god, like this is making me so excited. See how it's boiling. And yes, your banga soup is ready to be consumed with your favorite swallow. Thank you for watching. Bye.